Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2022 Toyota Prius all-wheel drive. This hatchback is accident-free with only one previous owner and is powered by a gas-electric 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine paired to a one-speed CVT transmission that can get you just 5 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking at the hatch of the vehicle, you have tons of cargo space as well as this fantastic retractable cargo cover. Moving to the interior, on the dash is your self-steer parallel parking and heads-up display. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio as well as your digital display controls, heated steering wheel, lane departure warning, and front collision warning. In behind is your adaptive cruise control. Here is your digital display. This car only has 2,941 kilometers. A nice large infotainment unit with Apple Carplay and Android Auto ready to go, as well as your climate controls built in. Your gear select as well as drive mode select, a wireless phone charger, heated front seats, power ports, and synthetic leather seats. For the back of the interior, the driver's front seat has a rear seat pocket as well as a zipped pocket. You have 60/40 split folding seats with a flip-down cup holder in the center, 2 USB ports in the center console, as well as another storage pocket in the rear of the passenger front seat. Thank you for watching this walk-around video of the 2022 Toyota Prius all-wheel drive. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.